So welcome everyone. This is a small update video because I haven't posted in a very long time. Sorry about that. The project is still ongoing. It's winter in Latvia. You see what 1 year of no air pollution does for the climate. It's the coolest winter in last 5 years, I think. But yeah, it's quite cold, and since I just have a tent, there's an Audi A3 and it's like halfway to its roof there's snow. So if we look in the tent, then nothing much has changed, except I think there's rats living in it now, and someone's peeing in it also. But hey, I can't fight the nature. So I actually don't remember what I did or didn't do last video, but I have this vacuum splitter connection splitter from the newer model, and I need to put mine on. And also, when it's gonna be bit warmer, I want to tighten everything down, and hopefully then next step would be attaching these clutch and brake tubes. Other than that, everything is on hold currently because the winter is here. Well, currently it's only -2 Celsius, but as you can see, daily it's getting warmer. I hope that next week I can already start by it's -13 next morning. Damn. But I hope the next week I can start getting back on fixing this car, because I'm still want to get on the plan to get it back on the road by the end of this year, but basically drivable by end of this summer. Well, by the start of the summer, I mean. So yeah, need to buy gas wires. Also, maybe you noticed, maybe you don't, the video quality should be better, because now I'm filming with the GoPro Hero 7, so hopefully that's better now. And yeah, that's my update. Thanks for sticking with me, and sorry for no videos lately, but yeah, that's the situation. Since I just have a tent, it's a bit too cold for me to realistically sit here and do something with wiring. They're just gonna break and I'm gonna freeze my hands, and nothing good is gonna come from that. So on this note, hopefully next week or week after that there's gonna be a video with the car, not just me talking about what would be great to have. And I guess that's it. See you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.